Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your speaker Bose S1 Pro Plus from the application. You have to start by open the Bose application and you will see this menu. If you have this one, just click at the this icon at the laptop and you will see it. Then go to account settings at the right top and click at the manage product. Now click at edit, select your speaker and then click delete, remove. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!